back to my channel. My name is Angel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this beautiful sassy makeup look right here. If you guys would like to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So of course, we're going to go ahead and start off moisturizing my lips. Oh my gosh, you guys, everything feels so dry. My face feels dry. My hands feel dry, sis. And my lips are dry. Like, I do not know what is going on. So eyes are already primed, brows are already done. Y'all already know the drill. So for today's eyeshadow, we're going to be jumping into the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. And of course, we're going to be wearing blue. If you guys cannot tell, we're going to be wearing blue, sis. So the first shade I'm going to go into is this one right here. And as you guys can see, I haven't gotten much use out of this palette at all. Like, at all. Like, at all. Well, you know what? Change of plans. Let's go ahead and go in with this beautiful brown shade first. And this shade is really beautiful, you guys. It looks brown in the palette, but it almost looks like this orange sickle type of brown color. Like, it looks like a brown, but it has like some orange undertone to it. It is absolutely gorgeous. So moving on, the next shade I'm going in with is this shade right here. And I just realized this palette actually does not have names. I think some of Juvia's Place palettes do have names, but this one does not have names. I cannot believe I have not used this palette, y'all. Like, what is wrong with me? So basically, I am focusing this color in my transition area, and I'm also going to blend it down to my lids just a little bit. So now, using this same brush, you guys, I am just going to apply a little bit of eyeshadow how I have here. And I'm basically going to just pack it. Y'all, do y'all see how crazy pigmented this is? Like, what in the world, Juvia's Place? This is crazy. And basically what I'm doing, I am just packing this all over my lid and even in my transition area just a little bit. And did I also mention that I am not getting like any fallout? Like, what, sis? Juvia's Place is the business. Like, Morphe used to be my favorite eyeshadows for a long time, you guys, but Juvia's Place has just handed everybody their whole ass, like, literally. Like, these eyeshadows are bomb for no reason. So now that color is exactly where I want it, I'm taking the same brush, you guys. So far we've only used 2 colors and 1 brush, sis. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend out the edges with the same brush. Then next, I am going back in with the palette, and I'm going to take this beautiful shimmery shade right here. And now I'm just taking this clean blending brush, and I'm just going to further blend the shimmer shade along with the matte shade. So now I'm just going to go ahead and create me a wing liner, you guys. This is pretty much for eyeshadow, super simple. As much as I love a cut crease, you guys, I have just been enjoying doing these very simple eyeshadow looks. 3 eyeshadows, 3 or 4 eyeshadows. You don't have to do the most, sis. I have really been enjoying these type of looks. So for eyeliner, I'm just using the Maybelline Hyper Easy liquid liner. So now that the eyes are finished for the most part, I'm just going to go ahead and apply these beautiful dramatic lashes. These are the AliExpress E11. So moving on to the face, I'm going to be using this Becca Ever Matte Poreless Primer. And then for foundation, I am going to be using this Maybelline Superstay. You guys, this has been on my shelf for a minute. Like, I have not used this foundation in a minute. Like, it's definitely been a minute. Wow, I think it just squirted everywhere. But it's definitely been a minute since I've used this foundation. But we're going to be using her today. And this color is perfect because it is a little bit warmer than my other foundations. And I kind of do have a little bit of a tan. And it does not take much of that foundation at all, you guys. This is literally a full coverage foundation to me because it gives so much coverage. And then for concealer, I'm just using this NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop, and I'm in the shade Golden. You guys, this is another really good concealer. I do feel like it is an affordable dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape. Like, it dries really nice. It does dry fast though, and it gives you like this matte finish. Like, it's not drying or anything, but it's definitely good for my girls that get super oily in their T-zone during the summer months. So this was a really nice powder. I'm sorry, concealer. And then for powder, you guys, I'm just moving and talking, sis. I'm using the Derma Blend. And I'm just setting underneath my eyes, my nose, forehead, and my chin a little bit. Moving on to powder. This definitely is not powder. I will say that confidently too, y'all. Oh my goodness, I'm getting sleepy. So moving on to powder, I am using this Black Radiance Soft Focus Powder in Creamy Bronze. And then for bronzer, because sis needs some color back in her skin, I'm just going to be using this Milani. Why do I keep saying Milani? This Milani pressed powder in Earth Glow. And then for blush, I'm just using the Siharian Volume 2 palette. Y'all, I just cannot talk today for some reason. I don't know what's going on, what's wrong with me, but I cannot talk. And then I'm just going to be taking this one right here with this, like, this beautiful purplish blush. And it's called B. And then for highlight, I'm going to be using a little bit of this Laura Geller highlighter in Sunbeams. Just a little bit. And before I finish highlighting, I'm just going to go ahead and, here it is, snatch my nose using the usual. And then of course I'm gonna fill in my mold. And then we're gonna go ahead and move on to the waterline. So for the waterline, I'm gonna be using this nude liner. You guys, I swatched this in this store on my hand and it did not smudge, it did not come off. This is the Extreme Lasting Essence eye pencil, and she's waterproof, you guys. So yeah, if that says anything. So it did not come off at all, y'all. So I'm just gonna go ahead and line my waterline. Y'all, this thing is so creamy. Like, it literally just, I didn't have to put much pressure on this at all. Like, it just literally glided along my waterline. And you guys, this one says that it's nude, but it looks super white. But I like it. It's cute. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some mascara. I'm back on my big shot shit, you guys. So I'm gonna apply this to my top and my bottom lashes. This is such a fun and cute, bold look. Oh my goodness. So moving on to the lips, I'm gonna be taking this pencil by Wet n Wild. I don't know if this is actually a eyeliner pencil. Yeah, but it really doesn't matter. I like to use it for eyeliner. I mean, not eyeliner, lip liner. And I really like using this pencil, you guys, when I'm using a super bright lip as far as the lipstick, because it really just helps blend it together because this lip liner is really dark. And then for my lipstick, I'm using this Wet n Wild Skinny Dipping. Like, this whole makeup look is giving me like Dojo Cat vibes or something. Like, it's crazy. It's really cute though. I don't wear like a bright eyeliner often. Well, not me say bright, but like a white nude eyeliner often, but I like it. It's cute. So you guys, for gloss, I use this Essence lip gloss. I just picked up this from CVS like a few days ago, you guys, and it's called Watch Me Work. It's like this beautiful pinkish, purplish lavender color, you guys, with like some silver and pink flecks of glitter. It's everything. It is everything. And this is the completed look. It's a look, sis. This is super cute. Super cute, super cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. And make sure you smash that subscribe button so you can become a part of the gang. Y'all remember to be blessed and follow your dreams. And I will see you guys in my next video.